Welcome! In this video, we'll be diving into the Activity tab. The Activity tab shows a log of activities happening in your organization, from the cloud to actual devices. Here, we can see a lot of cloud activities taking place. Below, we also have activities detected by the Cybee EDR. If you'd like more details about any specific log or activity, you can simply click on it, and it will show you the details on the left-hand side. For example, on Google Drive, as detected on Google Workspace, we can see that a user with this email downloaded a specific file. You can check the time the log occurred, and you can also request a report on what this user has downloaded in the last 24 hours. The system will generate this report based on your requirements. Overall, you can track every log based on a time frame since Cybee was installed in your organization. In addition, the Activity tab offers filter options that let you narrow down results based on your needs. You can filter by priorities, time periods, and services. This helps you focus on the most relevant activities and speeds up investigations. That would be all for the Activity tab. Thanks for watching.